Hi friends, welcome to another video. It's gonna be Tasty Tuesday, and yes, I have not been doing a Tasty Tuesday video for a very long time, and I'm so sorry for the people who enjoy those videos. Rachel and I decided that we're gonna make a video today about a crock pot meal. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be making like this creamy chicken and vegetable stuff that you could put over rice, cauliflower rice, pasta, or brown rice, whatever you like. But it's a great thing to put over that. So to turn something simple into something more of a meal, and yeah, and it tastes amazing, and it's very, very cozy. And I love me some cozy, simple food. So we are going to be doing this, and I will show you right now what you will need, and check out my new crock pot.
Alright guys, so check out this awesome Pioneer Woman crock pot. I got this the day after Black Friday for only $15. I got one for my mom as well, but different color. I absolutely love it. It is my first time using it though. It took me a while to use it, but you know what? It is gorgeous, and I'm so excited that I got to use it finally. And so these are the items that you will be needing. You'll need a can of cream of mushroom, a can of cream of chicken, a can of mixed vegetables. I'm only using half a can of that. And then 2 cans of canned chicken breast. So here we go, starting. I'm just going to take the lid off of this. Sorry if you hear Riley in the background. He is playing, and he's really in a fun mood right now. So sorry if he's loud. So I'm going to be putting this cream of chicken or cream of mushroom in first. Doesn't matter which one you put in first. You're all going to blend it in all together anyways. So I'm putting the cream of mushroom right now, and then now I'm going to be putting in the cream of chicken. Alright, now I'll just be using a can of milk. You can use any milk substitute that you like. I'm just going to use this milk because this is what is in my fridge right now. And I'm just filling up one of the cans with the milk, and then I'm going to blend it in with everything. And now to mix up until it is smooth. Alright, now to add a half of a can of the mixed vegetables. Make sure it is drained too. I only used half of a can. Alright, now to put 2 cans of canned chicken in. Make sure that they are drained. And now I like to chop up the meat a little bit because they're huge chunks in the can. So I like to kind of make it a little bit more shredded. And then now I'm going to mix it all up together. And it should look kind of like this before you start cooking it. Alright, now time to cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 3 hours on low or an hour and a half on high. I'm going to put it over white rice. You can do it on cauliflower rice, on pasta, really anything you'd like. And this is what it should look like after it's been done cooking. So what I did is I just put it on top of my rice, and then I put some of the fancy shredded Parmesan on top of that just to add a little extra flavor, and it just tasted so amazing, you guys. It is so good.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more to come. If you have not yet, definitely head over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and subscribe to her and watch her videos and check out what she what she made, if you have not yet. And if you're coming from Rachel's channel, hello, I am Siobhan, the Lazy Housewife, and I appreciate you guys coming in. Definitely leave yourself here with a like and a comment, and please subscribe if you have not yet. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'd love to have you as a friend. So definitely come on in and watch my videos as often as you'd like. I will be making more to come. I did take a big break for a while, but I am back. Yay! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye now!